All right, this one looks pretty complicated, but what we're doing is we're going straight. We're going around all these last two cones, come around to this exit cone, around that cone, around all these last cones over here, cut in to go shoot for that outside cone, and then come right out. So it's just a boom, 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 almost like a zigzag, which is the bonus exercise at the very end. So here we go. So around these two cones, shoot for this outside cone. You have to go around that cone, shoot for that outside cone, but now we're gonna go around these two cones, shoot for this outside cone, around just this outside cone. Make sure you go to the right of this cone and then exit out. So familiarize yourself with it, look at the designs, play with it. Maybe have a warm-up run instead of 2 runs only. You have like a warm-up run and then you do 2 runs for time. Have your fun with that. 23.79. You guys create your own rules if you want. Here we go. Around these two cones, shoot for this outside cone, around this outside cone, shoot for this outside cone, around these two cones, shoot for this outside cone, only this outside cone, go right of this next cone at the end, and then exit out. Talk to yourself, talk to yourself, talk to yourself, talk to yourself. It makes it easier to make it